We've got another Cars 3 Ooshies. As you can see, on clearance, if you collect these, $1.78. What a deal. You get 4 of them. You can see 3 here and 1 hidden inside. All right. Here's our checklist right on the back. I like how they do that. Not super long, only 40 to collect. Seems pretty easy to do, right? Well, we'll see. Well, 2 for 2, right? Not easy to get these open. All right. Oh, and there's our little Ooshies logo. That looks kind of nice. All right. Well, I don't want to lose my... I kind of like this checklist on the back. That's nice. Well, oh man, is he in there? It's the King. Number 43. Translucent. Looks great. We've got Glow in the Dark. Lightning McQueen. I think it's... Oh, I'm sorry. What? That's not Lightning McQueen. That's Jackson Storm. Well, nice. And come on, Mac. There's Mac. I know that one. Have you seen all the movies? I think they're pretty good. Nice. All right, and his super squeaky packaging. Oh, that's Lightning McQueen. Oh, but he's translucent. Nice. Looks great. Well, another neat 4-pack of these Ooshies.